A very good morning to all of you. Students, today I will teach you a topic of introduction to Adobe Photoshop. This is for the class 7th. What is Adobe Photoshop? First of all, introduction. Adobe Photoshop, the professional image editing standard. In easy language, you can say that Adobe Photoshop is a software by which you can do image editing. Two general uses of Photoshop. First is creating image. You can create your own image in this software, and second, you can change or edit previous or existing image. Suppose you want to change the image background or anything else, so you can use this software. Now look at this Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop CS3 is a frequently used image editing and creating software. As I say before, हम इसमें इमेज को क्रिएट कर सकते हैं और उसको एडिट भी कर सकते हैं. इट इज ए पावरफुल इमेज प्रोसेसिंग एप्लीकेशन सॉफ्टवेयर डेवलप्ड बाय एडोब वेंडर्स. इसको एडोब कंपनी ने डेवलप किया है. दिस सॉफ्टवेयर इज यूज्ड टू करेक्ट एरर्स एंड ओल्ड इफेक्ट टू इमेज. It is also used to create graphics for published in magazine, books, newspaper and website. The chapter introduces you the basics of Adobe Photoshop CS3. It also discusses the process of starting and existing from Photoshop software. Now you can look how to get started. अगर आपको कंप्यूटर में अपने खोलना है, इसको स्टार्ट करना है, तो कैसे कर सकते हैं? Suppose you have installed this in your computer system. You can start with, first of all, click on the start button and then find and click the Photoshop. जैसे ही आप इसको करेंगे, Photoshop ओपन हो जाएगा. This is the Photoshop. Now look at this menu bar. In Photoshop window, you can see a bar like this. This is the toolbar, and these all are the menus. This bar is called the menu bar. Menu bar have so many options are there: file, edit, image, layer, filter, view, windows, select and help. Now what is the file menu? File menu, it is used to create new document, open files, browse documents or folders, save projects, set up page, print and exit the program. So these all are the option can be done by file menu. And the shortcut key of file menu is Alt plus F. Second is edit. Suppose you want to edit your file, you have so many options like copy, cut, undo, step forward, step backward, free transform and fill and stroke. So these all are the option available by the edit menu. Shortcut key of edit is Alt plus E. Third is image, Alt plus I. It allows you to make adjustment to your document. Suppose you want to adjust anything, you can do through the image. Image and canvas size can also be adjusted in this menu. Layer is also a part of menu bar. It controls how you use layers within your program. You can add, duplicate, arrange, fill or other make changes to the layers you are working on. So this is the layer. Filter, shortcut key is Alt plus T. It is where your creativity comes in. It allows you to make a number of filter adjustment to make your overall image. Image can instantly be transformed through the filter menu. View, shortcut key is Alt plus V. It allows view adjustment. You can zoom in, zoom out or fill it. Window choices in viewing your document. Suppose you want to see your image in zooming form, you can use the view option. Window, it allows you to customize your workspace. It allows you to open palettes and menus on your screen. Suppose you want to use the color palette, you can open this window option. Select, it helps you to select a portion or all of the image of work on. It allows you to deselect or invert selection. You can select your image through the select menu. Alt plus S is the shortcut key. Help, help is very important menu bar, because suppose you don't know how to use the Photoshop, you can use this option. It allows you to search the information about the specific functions and solution in Photoshop. It can be easily accessed by the pressing F1. F1 is a function key. Now quiz time. First, what is Adobe Photoshop? How many options are there in toolbar or menu bar? What do you understand by file menu? And what is the shortcut key for help menu? So listen this video and give all these quiz questions. Thank you to watching this video.